Hello, in this video I will show you how to live capture with your Flex camera. In this image you can see all the devices you will need. First of all, our MacBook with a Pro or Elite Sportscode license, our Flex camera, an Ethernet adapter for MacBook, 2 Ethernet cables, a router, a power connection for the router, or if you are on site, a power bank to power the router. Now I will show you how to connect all these devices. First of all, we connect our Ethernet adapter, then the first Ethernet cable to connect our MacBook with the router, we connect the Ethernet to our router. Now the MacBook and the router are connected, and we will need to power our router. We have a power socket, then we use the power connection. If you are on site, use a power bank. We connect the router to a power source. Router connected. And now we connect the second Ethernet cable to the camera. First, we connect it to the router. And the other part of the cable to the camera. Remember to hear the click always when you connect the Ethernet cable to the devices. That means the cable is well connected. Turn on the camera and position it at the desired height. We are now ready to set up the live capture in Sportscode. First, we will need to open our Focus app and go through the calibration process as explained in a previous video. Once the camera is calibrated, click on the gear icon to find the address for live capturing, click on Connect to your broadcast software, and here you will find the RTMP address that you need to introduce in Hudl Sportscode. Also, these numbers are the IP address that the router has created in between the MacBook and the camera. Also, notice that this is the RTMP for the tactical angle, as you can see it at the end of the RTMP. If you are capturing the extra wide tactical angle, you will need to erase the tactical word and add extra wide tactical to the RTMP. All words together. Now you can introduce the RTMP address into Hudl Sportscode as shown in previous videos.
For that, we will open Sportscode in your laptop, then go to the toolbar, select Capture, open Capture window, then go to the gear icon and go to the Feeds tool. Inside of it, we'll need to create a new feed. We will rename it, for example, as Focus. And you will need to introduce the RTMP address that you will be able to find on the Focus app. In this case, I will use this test one. And once you have introduced the RTMP feed that you can find again on the Focus app, go to Sources, IP Feeds, Focus. Then, if the camera is recording, you will be able to see the live feed from the Focus camera. It is important to remind that the camera needs to be recording in order to see something on Sportscode. Thank you.